Well, we have already solved some problems on linear equations, and today also we will solve some problem. This is our first problem, and you read it carefully and repeatedly until you understand the problem. So let us start. 4 times the difference between the fourth and fifth parts of a certain number exceeds by 4 the difference between the third and the seventh parts. Find the number. So what is the unknown here? Unknown is the number, and he is saying that 4 times the difference between the fourth and fifth parts of the number. So this number's fourth part is how much? Let us first consider. So let the number is x, and what is its fourth part? That is x by 4, and what is its fifth part? That is x by 5. Now the difference between the fourth and fifth parts of the number, so this is the difference between these two numbers, and x by 4 is larger than x by 5. So this is the difference, and it's 4 times the difference. 4 times the difference is multiplied with 4. So this number exceeds by 4. Exceeds by 4. To whom it exceeds? The difference between the third and the seventh part. Now the third part is x by 3, and the seventh part is x by 7. Now the difference between these two is x by 3 minus x by 7. So this value, whatever may be the value of x, so this thing is exceeding this one by how much? That is by 4. You read it carefully if you do not understand. So this thing exceeds this thing by 4. If you will take the number line, so this value will be somewhere here, and this value will be somewhere here, and their difference is 4. That means this value exceeds this value by 4. Okay, now let us solve this. So let us simplify. We will take the LCM. LCM is how much? That is 20. So it will be 5x minus 4x divided by 20 into 4 minus, here LCM will be 21. So it will be 7x minus 3x, that is equal to 4. So 4 will divide 20 by 5. So it will be 5x minus 4x. So it will be 5x minus 4x is x divided by 5 minus, this is 4x divided by 21, that is equal to 4. So LCM, what is the LCM? We'll keep it like this. So it will be 21x minus 4 into 5, 20x, that is equal to 4. So in the numerator it is 21x minus 20x, that is x divided by 5 into 21 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 5 into 21 into 4. So that means x is equal to how much? 20 into 21. 5 into 4 is 20 into 21, that is 420. Let us check whether it is satisfying or not. 420, its fourth part is 420 divided by 4, and its fifth part is 420 divided by 5, and it will be multiplied by 4 times, and let us see how much it is. It is equal to, this value is 105, and this value is 84, that is equal to 21 into 4, that is equal to 84. And let us find this value. difference between third and the seventh part. So 420 divided by 3 minus 420 divided by 7, 420 by 3, that is 140, and this is 60. So 60 minus 140 minus 60, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 80. Now you see 84 minus 80, that is 4. Yes, that is satisfying this. So this solution is correct. X is equal to 420. You have to check it always, so that you will be confirmed that our solution is all right. And let us solve another problem. This is our next problem. When 5 is taken from the numerator of a fraction whose numerator is 3 less than the denominator, the value of the fraction becomes 3 by 7. What is the original fraction? So actually in this type of problems, you have to read it twice, thrice, because in one go you may not understand it. So what he is saying, when 5 is taken from the numerator of a fraction, 5 is taken from the numerator of a fraction, whose means that fraction's numerator is 3 less than the denominator. Okay, that fraction is such a fraction, its numerator, the fraction, suppose a by b, this is a fraction, and this is the numerator and this is the denominator. He is saying that numerator is 3 less than the denominator. Suppose in denominator will be 5 and numerator will be 3 less than this, that is, it may be like this 8 and it will be 11. You can see that numerator is 3 less than the denominator. Okay, he is saying that the fraction is such a thing. So we will take this denominator as x. Let the denominator of the fraction is x. So what will be the numerator? Numerator, that is 3 less than the denominator. That means numerator will be x minus 3. So now our original fraction is what? Original fraction becomes, this is the numerator x minus 3 and this is the denominator, that is x. So this is the original fraction. He is again saying that when 5 is taken from the numerator, from this numerator again 5 is taken. Suppose from this numerator 5 will be deducted, then it will be 3. It will be 3 by 11, like that. It may be something else. This is just example. So if the 5 is taken from the numerator, then it will become x minus 3 minus 5 and the denominator remains same. He is not saying anything about the denominator. So it is x, and he is saying that after taking 5 from this original numerator and the value of the fraction becomes 3 by 7, it becomes something like 3 by 7, just like here. Okay, so let us now solve. Then he is saying what is the original fraction. We have to find the original fraction, that means this one. Okay, first we have to find x, then we will subtract 3 from the x, we will get the numerator, and this will be our fraction. So let us find it. Let us solve it. X minus 8 divided by x, that is equal to 3 divided by 7. So cross multiplying x minus 8 into 7, that is equal to 3 into x, that is 3x. Cross multiplication is like this. So it will be 7 into x, 7x minus 8 into 7, 56 is equal to how much? That is equal to 3x. Taking 3x to the left, 7x minus 3x is equal to minus 56 will become plus 56 when brought to the right. So 4x is equal to 56. That means x is equal to how much? 56 divided by 4, that is equal to, that is 14. So we get x is equal to 14. This is our solution. that is the value of x we are getting, but he is asking what is the fraction. So we have got this value, and now what is the fraction? So the fraction is equal to x minus 3. X we have got 14 minus 3 divided by 14, that is equal to 11 by 14. So this is the value we are getting. That is the fraction. Let us check it whether we are correct or not. You can see that the numerator original fraction, this numerator is 3 less than the denominator, and when 5 is taken from the numerator, if 5 will be taken, then it will be 6. So you can see that it divides by 2. This also divides by 2, so it is equal to 3 by 7. That is what he has given. So this value is satisfying the problem. This is our solution. Okay, so for now that's all, and we'll consider more problem next time.